Hi, Dr. Stern here, and today I'm going to share with you my core 4 remedies for digestive repair. Now, if you're out there and you've been suffering with digestive pain, bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea, then this is something that's going to be really critical to hear, because when your body has a lot of inflammation along the digestive tract, you need to do things to support the healing. Changing your diet, of course, that is wonderful. A great healthy probiotic, also very important. But these 4 nutrients are going to also assist the repair and the regeneration of the intestinal lining to make sure your digestive tract is functioning at 100%. So, what are they? Number 1, marshmallow root. Now, this is not marshmallows, this is marshmallow root. Marshmallow root has a lot of polysaccharides, and it increases the mucosal lining of the intestinal tract. It's great to reduce inflammation, to soothe irritation, and also it actually helps cellular regeneration. So it helps your digestive tract become as healthy as it needs to be to support a good digestive process. Number 2, L-glutamine. L-glutamine is a natural amino acid. It's great for your muscles. It's great for your immune system, and it's also great for your digestive tract. It really helps repair the lining when it has been abused from different foods, chemicals, processed, everything that's in the environment that's getting into your system. It can create inflammation. Glutamine is wonderful at helping the repair of the digestive tract. Number 3, aloe vera. Aloe vera is famous for taking when you have burns. Same thing for the intestinal lining. When it's been inflamed, when it's been bruised up, when it's not functioning at 100%, aloe vera is great at reducing that inflammation and soothing the lining and helping digestive repair. And number 4, DGL licorice root. Now, I say DGL because licorice root that has the glycyrrhizin in it has the potential of raising your blood pressure. So if you're out there with high blood pressure, make sure you get licorice root that says DGL. The glycyrrhizin has been removed, so it will have no impact on your blood pressure, but like the other 3 nutrients, will have tremendous support at repairing the intestinal lining, okay? So yes, change your diet, take a great probiotic. Those are going to be amazing for digestion, but these 4 are also going to be wonderful at repairing the digestive tract and assisting you to have a great digestive healthy system. All right, I hope this helps on your journey to better health. I'll be seeing you soon. Have an amazing day.